So welcome back again to Savannah RC here with Simba, and today I'll be exploring just a bit about how to work with your adhesives. First of all, we have here the office glue. So office glue can be gotten for cheap. I mean, I got this for 100. It is half kg, 500 grams. I got this for 100 bob. That is almost $1. But this one is not good when you're working with RCs. So this one is just office glue, and it is good for paper. And an RC's paper is rarely used. So this glue is not good when you're working with RCs. Next, I've got these clips here. So these clips they come as a bunch. Just use a couple so these ones are good when you are trying to probably fasten your work to the table. When you're probably trying to fasten your work to the table, especially thin foam. On me, I use Coroplast when I'm trying to make my RC crafts. So this one is come in very handy when you're trying to fasten your work on the table and to work with thin sleeves. So they're very tight. As you can see here, they can't move. So these ones are good for that purpose also. But they're not good for putting on your contraption because now they add a lot of weight. And next I have the traditional duct tape. So duct tape is very good, but you just have to check the amount of which you use. And then when you're putting your duct tape, you need also to try to have what we call an enforcement. So I use a piece of wood when I'm trying to enforce it on the contraption so that it doesn't come out. And it is water resistant, so it is advantageous to use. Then there is the traditional super glue. Super glue is very good. I've used it a lot on my work, and I recommend it when you're working with RCs. Just try to ensure that you cover it very tightly. You can see it. You could get it in the supermarkets around for cheap, nearly 3 shillings. So you cover it so that it doesn't dries up pretty quickly. And then now, yes, there is what I recommend the most. These are zip ties. These are zip ties. Zip ties are very efficient because when you tie them, when you just tie a zip tie, you can feel that it just holds up. So you can use glue and zip ties, and that is very important to ensure that your work can work with the contraption even in the air or when you're dealing with robotics on the ground. Thank you.